In the heart of the ancient kingdom of Katras stood a formidable fortress, known as Katras Prison. Its walls were made of solid stone, guarded by watchful eyes and surrounded by treacherous moats. Deep inside its darkest depths, a young man named Ethan, unjustly accused of a crime, found himself imprisoned. Determined to prove his innocence and regain his freedom, Ethan spent long hours studying the prison's layout, observing the routines of the guards, and gathering every bit of knowledge he could. He knew that escaping Katras Prison would be no easy task, but he refused to let despair consume him. Ethan befriended a group of fellow prisoners who shared his desire for freedom. Together, they formed a tight-knit alliance, each contributing their unique skills and knowledge to the escape plan. There was Liam, an agile acrobat with unmatched flexibility, and Sophia, a brilliant strategist with a knack for unlocking secrets. Their plan began to take shape. Liam discovered a hidden passage that led to the prison's underground network. Sophia deciphered the intricate code used by the guards for communication, and Ethan, with his determination and quick thinking, became the leader of their daring escape. Late one stormy night, when the guards were distracted by the thunderous rain, the group set their plan into motion. Ethan used a makeshift hook to snatch the keys from a passing guard, while Liam skillfully scaled the walls to create a diversion. With the keys in hand, Ethan unlocked their cell doors, and the group cautiously made their way through the labyrinthine corridors. Using the information Sophia had gathered, they bypassed traps and avoided patrolling guards. They crawled through narrow vents, crept along dimly lit passages, and silently made their way closer to freedom. At every turn, danger lurked, but their determination pushed them forward. As they reached the inner courtyard, they encountered a formidable challenge. A massive iron gate stood between them and their escape. With no key in sight, Ethan's hope flickered, but Sophia's strategic mind quickly devised a plan. Liam used his acrobatic skills to climb the gate's intricate bars and release the latch from the other side. With a triumphant click, the gate swung open, revealing the path to freedom. The group sprinted across the courtyard, hearts pounding with excitement and anticipation. They scaled the outer walls, their hands gripping the cold stones, and dropped to the other side, landing safely on the soft grass below. Free at last, Ethan and his companions took a moment to catch their breath and savor the sweet taste of liberty. They knew their journey wasn't over. They had to navigate the treacherous forests and evade the relentless pursuit of the prison guards. But together, they had proven that courage, unity, and unwavering determination could overcome any obstacle. As they disappeared into the cover of the night, the moonlight illuminated their faces, each one adorned with a mix of relief, joy, and newfound strength. No longer prisoners, they vowed to fight for justice, exposing the truth behind Ethan's wrongful conviction and bringing light to the darkness that had consumed Katras Prison. And so, their tale of escape from Katras Prison became a legend, inspiring others to rise against injustice and reminding everyone that the human spirit is indomitable when fueled by the fervor for freedom.